Mark Soroy, a physical therapist and clinic director for our Southgate location with Advanced Physical Therapy. Advanced Physical Therapy has 9 locations in Metro Detroit. To find more about us, look at advphysicaltherapy.com. That's advphysicaltherapy.com. Southgate Advanced Physical Therapy has a comprehensive approach to taking care of musculoskeletal problems, and part of what we do involves use of a functional movement screen or selective functional movement assessment for our patients. This helps us identify not just the location of the problem, but the cause of the problem. We take a causative biomechanics approach. We utilize a functional movement screen kit that helps us take a head-to-toe analysis of movement problems and movement dysfunctions. Part of our treatment will involve use of Graston instruments. These are stainless steel instruments that are sophisticated in being able to give us the sense of fibrotic or unhealthy tissue and to be able to both diagnose and treat that tissue. We utilize a exercise-based approach towards treatment of musculoskeletal problems, but the soft tissue component is unique in our area. We also utilize a cold laser and all the complementary physical therapy modalities in an effort to get patients well again. Additionally, we use a patient education focus in order to engage the patient in their treatment and for the best outcomes possible. If you'd like more information, give our clinic a call at 734-284-6582. Again, you can visit us at advphysicaltherapy.com.